Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vibha and today I'm going to walk you through the complete process of applying to study in Ireland. If you're planning to study in Ireland for the September 2026 intake, then this video is going to help you a lot, make you understand when to start applying and what documents you need, how to apply, all in simple terms. So I'm going to tell you in 6 simple steps so it becomes easy for you to remember. Now, step one, research your course and university. The very first step is research. You should start by exploring which course suits your interest and future goals, which is very important. Ireland is known for fields like data analytics, computer science, artificial intelligence, business analytics, and pharmaceutical sciences. Go through the official websites of top universities like TCD, UCD, University of Galway, University College Cork, University of Limerick. There are multiple technological universities in Ireland which are offering very exciting courses. So go through their course content, duration, tuition fees, and entry requirements carefully before applying. Every course is different. Some may need work experience, while others may directly accept fresh graduates. So, always read the course details properly before deciding. Step 2, check eligibility and prepare your documents. Once you have selected your course, the next step is to check your eligibility and start collecting your documents. Now, most of the Irish universities require academic transcripts and degree certificates, English language test scores, a well written statement of purpose, two letter of recommendation from your professor or employers if you have worked before, and updated CV and resume, and of course a valid passport. Make sure it's valid for at least the next 2 years. Now let's talk about English tests. Most universities in Ireland ask for minimum IELTS score of 6.5 overall with no band less than 6. However, a few top universities like TCD, UCD may have higher band requirement for specific courses. Like their MBA and business analytics, they have higher requirement, like 7 or 7.5. So always best to check the exact requirement directly on the university portal for your chosen course. Now, apart from IELTS and TOEFL, many universities in Ireland also accept the Duolingo English test now. If you are taking Duolingo, aim for a score of at least 110, or above, which is accepted by most universities. Now start preparing all the documents at least 6 months before your target intake. Step 3, apply to universities. Now that your documents are ready, it's time to apply. You can apply directly through the university website for PG programs and through the central applications portal if you're applying for UG programs. Now, the application is not free. Application fee usually range between 35 euros to 50 euros depending on the university. Most Irish universities open their applications for the September intake around late October or November of the previous year. So, if you're targeting September 2026 intake, you should start applying around November 2025. Before that, you have to be ready with your documents. For the January 2026 intake, applications usually open between May and July 2025 previous year. Always try to apply early because the earlier you apply, the better your chances of getting a seat in your preferred course and even getting a scholarships become very very easy. Step 4, wait for the offer letters. After applying, you will receive either a conditional or unconditional offer letter. A conditional offer letter means you still need to submit pending documents, maybe your final semester marks or English test scores. An unconditional offer letter means you have fulfilled all the requirements and your admission is confirmed. Now, once you have got your offer letter, it's time to accept it. Pay the initial tuition fees deposit to secure your place. Now comes step 5, which is apply for the Ireland student visa. Once you have accepted your offer, you will apply for the Ireland student visa, also known as the D visa. You will need documents like your offer letter, fees payment receipts, financial proof, medical insurance, and academic documents. It's best to apply for your visa at least 8 to 10 weeks before your travel date, as the process can take some time. Step 6, prepare for travel and accommodation. Once your visa is approved, congratulations. Now you can start looking for accommodation, either on campus housing or private rentals. Also, book your flight tickets, get your currency card, and keep your photocopies of all important documents handy. And you're ready to begin your new journey in Ireland. So that's the complete step by step process for applying to study in Ireland for 2026 intake. If you start planning early and follow each step carefully, getting admission in your dream university becomes much more easier. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such informative content on studying abroad and lifestyle in Ireland. I can help you out. So, see you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep preparing smartly. Thank you.